Hi, Vinay from V Competency Tech, and we'll see how we can define the any country currency unit. So if you see here any cell, if I select and right click, change the format, not here, format. These are the format, and the currency is by default dollar. Okay, if I set it, if I give 10, it will give $10, but I don't want dollar, I want the this is for a specific country. So how we will do that? So we'll select again, right click, format is not here, format is here in format menu, and we'll see the number. So we have number, format, currency, more format, custom number format, more currency. See, if you go to more, how you will go? Select this, go to format, number, don't click on currency, go to more format. This Indian rupee is coming here because I have already selected, so it is coming, otherwise it will not come. So more format, more currency. If you click here, see, we have custom currencies. So by default dollar is there, then we have rupee, okay, then we have US dollar, then other country, Algerian dinar, then some country, like that we have all countries unit is here, define here. So for example, if I take rupee, okay, apply, so now rupee is coming. So if I give some data here, that symbol will come. Okay, something like that. So for example, this is 50, so I need 50 for all. Okay, if I give here 160 hours, 100 hours, 46 hours, 90 hours, 110 hours. Okay, and here I will set equal to, first I will set the unit is not here, so I will set the unit, set the unit, go to format, there is number, you can click here Indian, or you can go from here more currency, but I have selected Indian, apply. Okay, I will give here C2 into d2, c2 into d2, c2 into into shift into d2. Okay, enter. So this multiplication is coming and drag it. So this is how we can define the unit. Okay, now if I make some other unit, so let's select this. Okay, format, number, more format, more currencies. Okay, so for example, it is some other country, like if I give Chinese what is this? British pound. Okay, if I select British pound, so it will come like this and apply. See, this is coming. Okay, so this is how we can change the unit of any country. Just simple, you can select which column you want. For example, you want this column completely, go to data, go to format, number, under number you go to more format, more currency, and here you will get for example Chinese. So see, Chinese unit is coming. Like that we can change any country unit. Okay, but by default any Excel cell the currency format is dollar. But if you want any specific country currency unit, so you need to go to format, number, and under number more format and more currency, and you will see this window. In this window you can select. Here you can write country name. Okay, US. Okay, and China, Japan, Japanese. Okay, like that you can give and apply it. So unit will come like this. Thanks. So if you like this video, you please subscribe my channel We Competency Tech just by clicking the red subscribe button, so that you will get more upcoming videos. And please don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.